This is a tutorial on where I will show you how to automate any website that does not have an API. So I will gonna use Airtop, which is a very just released platform where you can automate anything in any website with just words. So you say just go here and do that, click here, copy that, scrape this, and it's going to do all with AI. But this will work in combination with init-n, which is an automation platform that you can just put nodes together and connect them together, and it will do the automatic process. And with this flow that we'll build, we can just basically automate any website that does not have an open API. It could be Instagram. You can just go scroll, send messages, copy something. It could be Facebook. Go to marketplace, scrape these images, scrape these products or anything. It could be Amazon or every single website that comes in your mind that does not have an API and you want to use it with automatic process, you want to scrape something, you want to update something, it's going to be possible to do it with Airtop. And Airtop is just free in some credits, but if you want like premium version, you can go full for it, but I'm not affiliated with it. So what we're gonna do first is going to create an account with Airtop. So just click on sign up. I'll log in with Google. Okay, you can fill this form. And the first thing that you see here is just this API playground. And this is what we're gonna use here. We'll just play around here a little bit and so show you how it works. And then we'll connect it with init-n where you can automate and do more stuff. Okay, let's try to automate Amazon. So I will copy the URL of Amazon and I will go here on the URL and I will just paste the link and I'll click on start session. As soon as you click start session, it will create a browser where it will open amazon.com. And here on the side here, we have like the type of prompts that you can send to the AI. It could be page query, pagination, scrapes, form filling, clicking, hovering, doing anything that you would need to interact with a website. And you can just basically just pick one of these and describe with words what you want to do. So what I want to do here, as you can see, it's opened the Amazon website. What I want to do, I want to search for a specific product. And to search for it, I have to click on this. I want to go and search on Amazon here, and I'll have to type. So I'll click on typing page interaction and text that I want to type. I want to search for Blue Yeti mic and element that I want to search for. Here you have to describe just where you want to put this text, and I will just describe with words. Search Amazon text box. And as soon as you click run, I will also check this press enter after typing, where it will enter it and show the products. As soon as you click run, it will run. As you can see, it wrote and then it searched for it. All right, here's a process that we did and it's finished automatically. And as you can see, we have some results of Blue Yeti microphones. And what we can do else is we can scrape these, like we can scrape these data. And to do that, we just go and you can just choose two options to scrape the whole website. Or if you want to get something specifically, you can just go to page query. And I will just write like a prompt here to extract just the microphones names and their prices. So I asked it to just collect 4 of these mics with their names and also the prices, and give me them as a JSON. So as you can see, we got the JSON here, and it has a name and the price, name and the price, name and the price. You can also collect the URLs, whatever you want. And you can click on something specific by using hover or clicking with a mouse. So that's how it works, and we're going to automate this now with init-n. First you have to download and install init-n. I'm not showing you how to download it right now. You can go, if you don't know how to install init-n, you can go and follow one of my videos that I have on a channel on different ways to install init-n. But I will show you how you can just create the flow. Alright, here I have init-n. And it's very easy to use. What you have to do is just to create a new workflow, and then we will just drop some nodes here, and we have pre-built nodes for Airtop. So just click on add and search for Airtop. Here we go, we have Airtop, and we have many options that we can just play around and interact with Airtop. So first what we need to do is to start a session. So here on the sessions, you have to create a session, and as soon as you click on that, you will see these credentials here, and you have to create new credentials, and you have to provide the API key. To get an API key, go to Airtop dashboard and you have to go to the API keys here, leave, create an API key. You can just name it NN and copy it. I will remove this API key later, so don't try to use it. And here we go back, paste it here and save. All right, we got it connected and we have to create a resource, create session. You can name a profile if you want, Amazon, and save profile, but I will not save it for now. So after we create a session, we have two nodes here. You can move and play around with them, and you can just drop a new node and we'll search again for Airtop. And this time we'll open the browser. So go to window and you have to create a window. And creating a window, session ID here, just put the URL. And the URL is amazon.com. Paste it and you just, now it opens the browser. So what is start a session, open the browser, go to Amazon. And next we want to type to search for a product that we want. The node will be just, so it's going to be type text. So we have interactions, type, the text you want to type is Blue Yeti, just like we tested before. And here is going to be Amazon search text box, and then it will press enter after that. So all right, so we search for it, and after we search, so let's demonstrate it here, Blue Yeti. All right, so we got the results. What I want to do with that is I want to just, all right, I'll get 5 of names, links, and also the prices. So I will just scrape information and I'll go again on Airtop. I will just query a page, and what I want to do here, I want to just, all right, so I'll just describe with words. What I want to do, I want to scrape 5 top results, scrape titles or names, prices, and the link. Please output your answer as JSON format. Here we go. So we just did that, and after it we have to terminate the session. So go to Airtop again, and we want to go to sessions and terminate session. This will make sure that it will be closed. So here's our automation. I will just save it, and now we can just start it and see how it goes. So just click execute workflow. First it will create the session, and then it will pass the ID in the second one, where it will create a window and go to amazon.com, open the website, and then it will go here into the interaction, which is going to send text to the search box, search for it, and press enter. And as soon as it will show the results, it will go through the extracting the top results and show us as a JSON. In this case, I didn't do anything after we get the JSON, but if we do get the JSON, we can just provide it in anywhere. We can put it in a Google Sheet by just clicking on adding a new node here with Google Sheet, or you can save it somewhere, or you can do anything with that. So in this case, Amazon doesn't offer an API, and we are using it just by using Airtop, just like we are using an API without interacting directly. I'm not doing anything, it will be interacting automatically itself. So this is how it works. If you try to open something, you'll see that the model response, it will show the type operation is completed or extraction. So here in the extraction, as you can see, it shows us the result. And here is a JSON result that we got, is all scraped data. And you can see that we have the title. You also got the link. And if I just try to copy this link, for now it will be just a JSON, and it will not be like very good format, but you can just try using this result. So I'll just copy this link, and if I try to open new tab, all right, it opens. And the price for this one is $79.99, and everything works well. It terminated the session and everything. Okay guys, this was the automation, really easy to do it, and it was just using or doing anything within a website that does not offer an API, extracting, clicking, doing whatever you want without an API. All you do is just type for free, type it with your words, prompt it, do this, do that, and it will do it for you. See you in the next video. Peace.